Hi everyone, welcome to another Clean With Me video. We are speed cleaning a little here, not crazy fast, but just enough to give us a little bit of momentum. Hopefully you'll find this video motivating and it'll get you ready to do a bit of cleaning in your house today. So sit back and relax and enjoy this one, or clean along with me, whatever suits you best. Today I'm cleaning our master bedroom, which is the bedroom that my husband and I sleep in. I always start off taking out any rubbish and then I put things away. Then I move on to wiping surfaces and taking care of the floors. So if I'm putting things away and they belong in the room, I put them away where they belong. And if they belong in another room, that's why I have this basket that I'm putting things into. Anything that doesn't belong in the main bedroom goes in that basket. I'm going to take that out to the lounge room and then I'll put those away after I'm done with the room. I try to make my bed every single morning. When I have a made bed, I feel like my bedroom is my little haven. I can escape to it when life feels overwhelming and I need a bit of a break. If I have an unmade bed during the day, I generally feel like I'm not on top of things and life is a little chaotic. So even if that's the only thing I get done that day, making the bed is a really big priority for me. Does anyone else have a whole bunch of cords just sitting around at the bottom of their floor in their bedroom? I find that I have trouble putting those away all the time. This is a space underneath my bedside table. It's where I keep my books, reading books, puzzle books, library books go in here. It needed a bit of a dust today, so I used my vinegar mix and just a standard cleaning cloth, gave it a bit of a wipe down and then restacked all of the books. I tend to put books I own on the left, including puzzle books and planners, and then on the right, when I have library books, I tend to put them on the right hand side. Time to take care of the mirrors on the wardrobe. I just use the same vinegar spray mix as everything else and I spray the mirrors down, climb up on top of an IKEA stool and just wipe them from top to bottom. It's pretty easy. I find that on the bottom half of each mirror, I need a lot more spray than I do on the top half because that's where my kids tend to put on their sunscreen and put on their, makeup and things like that. So the bottom of the mirrors always gets dirtier than the top. find I can do the whole lot of the wardrobe mirrors with just one cleaning cloth if I fold it in quarters and then I unfold and refold it so that I have a fresh side available every time I do a new mirror. We have a few pesky spider webs on the top of our ceiling, so I can't reach them even when I stand on the stool, so I get the Rubbermaid Reveal mop out for that. It means that I can spray my vinegar mix through the trigger of the mop and wipe at the same time, and I can get most of them down easily. Moving on to the most embarrassing part of my clean today, where I can't balance on my bed very well, trying to clean the ceiling fan. I sprayed the vinegar mix and then it just drifted all back down on top of me, and then I tried to clean the fan, but with it spinning at the same time I kept losing my balance. And then I tried the pillowcase trick that I saw on, I think it was Pinterest a couple of weeks ago, where you use a pillowcase to clean your fan blades and that way all the dust gets caught in the pillowcase. But as you can see, for me it was a little bit of a fail today, so I just ended up using the pillowcase as a regular cloth. Quick spray and wipe now over the top of our tall boy, just to get the dust that settles on there. It doesn't take very long to wipe this down, but it does make a really big difference because our furniture is dark wood, so we see dust pretty easily on that one. Now I have a few more cords to tidy up over on my husband's side of the bed. We each have charging cords and headphones and just those little bits and pieces that always seem to get in the way. Our bed head is quite dark too, so it tends to show dust really easily, so I like to give that a little spray and wipe too. I find the vinegar mix doesn't damage any of the surfaces at all, or at least it hasn't in the last 10 years. Now just a quick wipe down of the ottoman at the end of our bed. Now we're up to the final job, which is to take care of the floors. This is a carpeted room, so I'm going to vacuum it using my Kmart upright vac. This one, even though it looks quite big and bulky, it's really easy to use. It's got really good suction, it can do a number of different floor styles, and I just find it really, really handy, really powerful, and does the job really well. Now that I've done that bigger area, I'm just going to take the smaller attachment and get into the nooks and crannies around the bedside table so that I can vacuum the high traffic areas without having to move all of the furniture. Now that the vacuuming is done, I'm going to pack up the vacuum cleaner, put it away, and now I can go and relax because my cleaning is done for the day. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me video. I hope you found it motivating. If you did like it, please hit the thumbs up button so that I know. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see next. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Oh, I'm gonna go relax now. Bye.